For problem 66 and 67, it is factoring, so we are going to factor quadratics. Quadratics are always in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. I use a thing called diamond, and diamond is just I use an X on there. If you guys want to know why it's called diamond, is because when they first teach it to you, it looks like this. I don't draw that diamond on there. On the top, you want to put the product. Okay, and that's A times C. So it's the first number here times the last number there. On the bottom, you want to do the sum, which is this number right here. Now, over on the sides, you want to factor out this product into different numbers that multiply to this and then add up to this. And the more you do this, the easier it becomes. So you want to get into a habit of just being able to do this pretty quick. I've done this so much I can look at a problem and see the correct factors right away. So here's our first problem. So here's our A, which is a 1, and here's our C, which is a 40. So in our diamond, we do 1 times 40, which is 40. And then our B is right here, which is a negative 14. So we put a negative, put a negative 14 here. So you want to make sure you keep the signs and everything correct there. The other little trick that you can know is if this is a plus sign and this is a minus sign, then you know this means this plus sign makes both signs the same, and then the minus sign says what sign it's going to be. So we're going to do the multiples of 40, so negative 1 and negative 40. That does not add up to negative 14, so we keep going. So we go negative 2, negative 20. Those multiply to 40, but they do not add up to negative 14. 3 doesn't go into 40, but negative 4 and negative 10 does. Then you look and you go, oh, negative 4 times negative 10 is 40, and negative 4 plus negative 10 is negative 14. So those are going to be our factors. So our variable that we're using in this problem is an A. So we're going to have an A here and then an A here. So this becomes A minus 4 times A minus 10. And if you FOILed this out, this is your answer. But if we FOILed it out and checked our answer real quick, we do A times A first, A squared, A times negative 10, negative 10A, negative 4 times A, negative 4A, negative 4 times 10 is plus 40. We get this, we get A squared minus 14A plus 40. And that's how you do these every single time. So let's do number 67. 67, it says K squared minus 2 minus 35. So we're going to draw our diamond. We put our product up there. We got 1 times negative 35 is negative 35. The sum is negative 2. So we start listing our factors. Negative 1 and 35. Nope, negative 2 doesn't go into there. Negative 3 doesn't go into there. Negative 5 and 7. Now when I take negative 5 and 7 and I add them up, I get positive 2. But remember, we want a negative 2. So all we have to do is switch the sign, and this becomes negative 7 and 5. Negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. So those are our factors, and this becomes K minus 7 times K plus 5. And remember, you can never ever miss these if you check your answers. We got K squared plus 5K minus 7K minus 35, which is K squared minus 2K minus 35. And that's how you do factoring when A equals 1.